Welcome back to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. Today we'll be looking at the STR-30 by the Mint Tiny House company. The STR-30 is built on a 30-foot bumper pull trailer that has a total square footage of 250 square feet. It can sleep up to 6 people with 2 upper lofts and a main floor bedroom. The interior is bright and airy with white paneling and laminate flooring. The kitchenette has a single ceramic full sink, white cabinets, butcher block countertops, and electric cooktop. The bedroom has a large shower, a flushing toilet, and an 8-gallon water heater. The turnkey price on the model is $96,409. For more information, please make sure to check on their website. Links will be down below. So now that we got a chance to look at this tiny home, what do you guys think? The overall design of the home is great, as we absolutely love the 2 lofts and the 1 bedroom downstairs. However, it is a little bit more pricier than what we expected, so we're going to bring the rating down to a 4 out of 5. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.